everyone, welcome to my channel The Blue Sunflower. So let's start. Today we will learn basics of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is used for engineering and architectural drawings. I am using 2017 student version which is freely available on Autodesk site. Link given in description below. So this is how it looks. We'll start drawing. So I prefer white background. while working on my drawings, but if you want, you can just go to the options from here and change here. Like if you want another color, so you can change the cursor size, everything, display. I prefer white background. So let's start. So you can see there's a grid behind. So when you click, you can see here this display drawing grid. So I prefer keeping it off. I feel dizzy with the grid. So how to draw a line? Well, the keyboard command is L enter, and there you go, you have the line. Or else I'll escape and you can click here and you will get it. But keyboard commands are more easy and it is fast to work with. So let's start. So you can see the line is rotating, and there you can see angle over here, 26, 28, there. So I'll use F8. When you click F8, it ons the ortho command, which is here. Can you see it's on? When I click it again, it's off. So when you want to draw a straight line, you prefer keeping it on, and you will get a straight line. Look, 90 degrees. So there. Now I select this all and E enter. It erases. So how to draw a line with dimensions? You use command type units and enter. There it is. You will get this pop-up box where you can select whatever type you want and which scale. I'll put decimal and unit scale. I have a habit to draft it in mm, but if you want, you can put it centimeter or meters. Let's start now. So L enter, and now I'll put dimension over here, backspace, and whatever dimension I want, I'll just type it. As it is in mm, I'll type 5 and 3 times 0 and enter. So this is the line, 5 meter long. I'll draw a box of 5 meter. So again I'll enter and 1, 2, 3. I'll just join it here. So there you go. It's a box, and if you can see this is the origin. Always stay near this so you can find your drawings easily. It won't get lost. So this is the box. So this was a basic thing. Now we will learn how to draw a room. I'll erase this. click and let's take a room of 4 by 8 meters. Join this. Now we will need walls. Now we have got a basic outline of a room. Now I'll make walls. For walls we will use command offset. So for offset, O, enter. And first I'll take this wall, I'll click here and at what distance you want the line you will type. So 230 mm. So I'll just type 230 and enter. And then like this. Click and take it outside. Click and take it outside like this. So I have got the 4 sides. Now I need to join this. Now this is easy. So I need to join this to make a perfect wall. So the first way is I'll just stretch it like this. Again this, I'll stretch it like this. So every time you can't keep doing like this. So instead of this technique, I'll show you a command which will make it easier. So F, we will use fillet command. So for that, F, enter. I'll take first line, I'll click here and here it will join like this. Again F, enter. I'll select 2 lines which I need to join. So now we got a room with walls, but we will also be needing a door. So for door, I'll make a door here like in this direction. So I'll enter, I'll close this. So I've got a line here. I'll offset this to the dimension to the length of the door I need. So for offset the command is O, enter. Click it here. This triangle you can see, it shows the midpoint of the line. So I'll put a door here. Enter. Now we got a door. Now we have got a door. Now windows. So I'll put 1 here and 2 at the back side. So just how we draw. So just how we did with the door, we will do same with the windows. I'll select a random point here and put a line. Then what I'll do is window dimension. Meter wide. Got the window. Now I want the same size window on back side here. So I'll just select from left to right. So it will select only which I'm taking it in this blue box. If you go right to left, it gets selected whole. whole line or polyline if it is. I'll show you how to draw polyline later, but it gets selected. So I just need these two lines, so I'll be selecting like this. So only these two lines will get selected and not the wall. So I'll copy this on the opposite side. So for copy, C O enter. So for copy, C O enter. I'll just select a point over here and copy it on this side of the wall. I'll put ortho off because it's creating too much disturbance. There you go. Now we will need a door here. So I don't need these lines, so I have to erase them. So how to erase? I will select this and enter, but it gone wrong. So I'll just Control Z and I just don't need this much part, so I'll trim this much part. I'll be trimming this much part. So for that the command is TR double enter. I know there are too much commands to remember, but once you get a habit of it, it's very easy to use the keyboard commands rather than this toolbox. Don't worry, I'll be adding a clip at the end of the video, the commands we'll be using today, and I'll also add it in the description below. There it is. Now we'll draw a door here. Select midpoint. Now I need a quarter circle. So there's a door. Now I'll be needing 1/4 of a circle. For that we will first draw a circle over here and then trim it around. So for circle, the command is C enter, or the other ways you can just click here and then draw a circle. And it starts from the radius. You just give it the radius. Just there you go. There's the radius here. Now I'll trim around the this. Now I need to show how the door opens. If it opens, I need to show how the door opens, inside or outside. So this represents that, and now I'll use rotate command. So for rotate, RO enter, and there you go, like this. I'll show it halfway and trim this part. There it is. door is done. Now to the windows. So first we'll seal it, then make a window. First I'll add thickness of the window with offset O enter. Now the thickness I'll give this. This is now I'll just select it and copy it on the other side. CO enter. Copy it here like this. Now I'll be needing it to mirror it on this side. So how will I do that? I'll again select, and for mirror I'll again select, and to mirror it I'll use the command MI enter, and then to where they'll ask you the question if you want the source object. In this case I don't need it, so I'll erase it. Now I'll trim this extra part. There you have a window. Now I'll copy this same thing on this in this two. Now I'll copy this window to the other two. So I'll select CO enter and copy. Just you have to remember the source point while copying and put it exactly at the same. So we have a room, door and windows. So this was it. So thank you for watching. I'll be soon coming with the part 2 of this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon.